Feeling overwhelmed by the endless health trends and diets? Discover the secret to optimal health with superfoods. Welcome to Superfood Power, a complete nutrition guide, your ultimate resource for boosting energy, brain health, and overall well-being. Imagine unlocking the secrets of nature's most powerful foods, revered from ancient civilizations to modern science. Superfoods are nutrient-dense powerhouses that provide maximum benefits with minimal calories. But how do you incorporate them into your diet? This guide introduces you to over 50 superfoods, breaking down their health benefits and nutritional profiles. From boosting your energy to enhancing mental clarity, these superfoods can transform your health journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned health enthusiast, this book offers practical tips for a balanced, superfood-rich lifestyle. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining optimal health can feel overwhelming. But with the right tools, it's easier than you think. Discover how to improve digestion, promote overall health, and achieve mental clarity with the power of superfoods. Unlock the transformative power of superfoods today. Superfood Power, a complete nutrition guide, your path to a healthier, happier you.